Hi there, my name is Sabrina and I'm excited to share with you an awesome new skincare device from Nu Skin. It's called ageLOC Boost and it uses microcurrent technology, which has been the best thing ever for my skin. I'm seeing more brightness and my skin seems more alive. I think it's the best way to describe it. So I decided to make this video to show you how it works. Hope you like it. When you order ageLOC Boost, you get the device and a charger. And this amazing product. ageLOC Boost Activating Serum, which does two things. One, it conducts the microcurrents, and two, it provides incredible ingredients to the skin. I'm talking powerful ingredients that help brighten, hydrate, and plump, as well as zoom in on aging. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I've already finished cleansing and toning my face, and now I'm ready to use my ageLOC Boost. After cleansing and toning your face, dry your hands before you pick up the device. And then, turn on the device by swiping your finger all the way up like this. As you turn it on, it gently vibrates and lights up. Now, dispense 3 drops, 1, 2, 3, on the device right here. And then dab it or spread it evenly over 1/2 of your face like this. Similar to how you might dab on your foundation before you begin blending it in. You'll treat 1/2 of your face for 1 minute, add more activating serum, and then the other half for another minute, for a total of 2 minutes only. That's it. And that's what makes ageLOC Boost unique. It's quick, so I've had no problem working into my morning routine. Okay, now you'll swipe up the device again. And using slow upward, outward motions, move the device over half of your face, keeping constant contact with your skin. As you're gliding it around, you can focus on any areas you're concerned about. Because I have some dark spots right here, I'm going to focus a little more on this area. While you're treating, the microcurrent and the ingredients in activating serum are helping increase skin luminosity and bounce. So now's a good time to talk about the microcurrent ageLOC Boost uses. It's called a variable pulse microcurrent, which is exclusive to Nu Skin. This unique waveform is great for optimizing your complexion every day. And from my experience, I'd say 100%. Okay, it's been 1 minute, so the device will pause automatically, which gives me time to apply 3 more pumps to the treatment head, and then dab it around on the other side of my face. To begin treatment, I just swipe back up. And while I'm using the same slow, smooth motions upward and outward, keeping constant contact, the microcurrents and activating serum are doing good things, activating the skin, improving my complexion, and adding visible bounce and brightness. Oh, I'm going to interrupt myself and say if you ever need to pause the device during treatment, simply swipe down the touch surface like this. When you're ready to restart, just swipe back up. Alright, it's been a minute, so the device has turned itself off automatically. So now I gently pat or massage any excess activating serum and I bring it down to my neck. Then I rinse off the treatment head to remove any residue and wipe it dry. From this point, I just continue with my normal skincare regimen. Apply my favorite serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and I'm good to go. To wrap up, I want to say that I love how my skin is looking brighter and bouncier and my complexion looks more even. And I know you'll love what ageLOC Boost does for your skin too. Using ageLOC Boost is such an easy way to give your skin a youthful glow so you're always ready for anything. Selfies, video meetings, believe me, they're never a problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. When you can, get your own ageLOC Boost. You'll love it.